Ya sa ma wa che no so amba pa onsi madu mama wa che biomi no matena se na onim se fisem dwumade nam de bra we che sister Sunday be a guy wo me hit maker e de ahonsepe berbero me fiafia ho kakra ra pai e chi asoro nkonkoma stone boy e na afa shetewale utum se foresight awards no ye kama man for keka ya me dem hu Facebook man hwebi enti dem hu Facebook said ya stone boy wo to nwom wo na shata so sole sebie na de ko nka no anya kura nkaye wa wo shata wo sebie ni ade ne ni ade ade nua be ma betwa ne hag prince utum say yes say ni hwehwe for hazen say ni fefe afefe we pepe kama na wom na na boro wono so de nsem bi betu dwa na no kura na shata wo ya kire wo ote say no kura na wo ya adimi hwe ni jai say ampa you understand what I'm saying and so say na boro nkomo no ode aba bonten so wo de mo de blog de ahwe obi ka so ahwe epra nkoda mienu no a na ya ye panyimbo na hwe ni ye na ya kwai na ye ntrase ye ni ye nkomo de bia meka cho se fisem dwumadie no ho ye trase ye di nkomo a safo na ekuro bi so etumi kura ma ne ye yie betumi aye wa wasem ne ye ka wa so na nye wasem mo mbebo nkomo nkyere ye enso obi de na ebe bi opuno na etumi aboa ne ye hunu atebia ne asetena yetimo ene anamo esi eto wiase no wanhwe ne yie a unhu ne yie wiase a yetimi wanhwe ne yie a unhu ne yie ena nyema bi so betumi afa wase a wanya careful a ebe wiase ye no waba won to se me na me ne ye wa asam na homte areho ansa na ma me wo hye okyea me amako da kwa ne yere eye mina amako dankwa happy birthday ene okyea me se the yere birthday ntie na ye ka no ho na ye the birthday na ma happy birthday ukunu ye twa ye ka nche nti ya onye fine kama nya sa ne na next pizza nchoba oba na next pizza wa ba ba di pizza papa bi na buy one get one free wo sum gu fiare se mu twamanum spede de ni atete a 5 Ghana city for your pocket de so wo ho and all events betimi aba ba je packaged nicely na odi aye event nti happy birthday to Mina amwako dankwa ene ewa wo de free ukunu ochiame amwako dankwa ene wo se ye fa mawo DJ Omale no wayosi ana penchi asonko nkoma wo asem ni nyina ne tintin ni tie mu ale se wraba bi mabo wangu me so wonte se ese flu abade no me de ma beti go mi nya betiri wisi e ko ye kura nche hwan ase you cancel literate
me ba oje case no but you are afraid of cough why you people create like that I kissed you received a kiss but coughing you were afraid
so far we didn't throw me who be that no
and trouble na medin have you seen me this morning?
Yeah, I have.
Did you touch me this morning?
Nah.
Oh, are you not that
close honest? Your mouth.
You didn't touch me.
Nah. Yeah, okay, nah.
No, I touched your breast. I realized that it was soft. I didn't know when you changed your life. Your breast was soft.
Breast to me is soft. Emma, no,
did you touch me?
I have not touched you.
Okay.
And I pay now and come on home to Areho. Now, the Reho 70 and say, Rabbi, a wako school, ne papa bon hoka. And then I go school, said them to hear me go be a binum cram masters, a binum cram a PhD, I mean, now a quakra one wako school, a vie kama start here, Juma. Banking and finance, yena juma kama si abrantie ya no so ya juma kama e dia so no e mo aye de nti o ma wale wie ya abrantie ne so wonya ntina fie okay seska o fie be ma be me dia na we me kunu dia bible say the two shall be one na be ma so ni tire se de Ghana ha me ma su tire hihia o mo a wo mu di ye so ma ensem no me ma ni tire enti o tire se enti eja enan ne kon wo be ne dan ena eja ekon wa ye na dwere se ne o betie di tire ka because one go tie you because so muadi as a serious you are slaves for life. And once a slave, once your master is saying you have to obey, into master sent a fee and a rabbit fee. What did the more the rabbit fair through your complication, Razak? I don't know mobile watch Yamasa. Yes, I'm great. Now, no complication, no Yan say, and no crown no quadrant where Jaya Juma a way a complication to tonight the Musada and a Jabema so Juma Cobono. Hey, Asamaba. A Juma Cobono, rent yasu, your bed dear. Abrantie ne maame ene ne nuanu aka bom arent dan dia ma abrantie ne ne yire ene ne bawo na eja wo bawo asa oso tumi behwe akoda ena maame no oba no so maame betimi aba na we de be ma no maame ne baaye na o rent dan nti wono adi ne sika rent ye wote fie hobi wo baaye a empa o ne kunu da so maame ne oba na wawo ne be nna ne da so le se be ma no na dem hopo bi na wanya kwa atwa ne yire anum spede de metire na yase spede de mbo so me be nine ala wotwe ya ewura be yesi na na ala asi nothing could be true life story look it's not a joke obi dia de bia ka ye tena se kan krofo nkomo no mo de ba de ye ka kire wo na se be ya obetimi aka kire na se wono oba no be ma no ntumi nka kire ne ma me se aye yi ko na menya kwan wale ma wale na oye de kwa kan because wono kura no woni hute tire se adwuma na sai enti ne ma me na dia so na oba no so ma me so kakra na o mo de titifie hwe ho shop enti wabeje mpa aboso e de wotifie ho bi obe ya de ne ha no tete no wose da na okura no ne kunu so obedi fufu e dia okunu so obedi fufu enti ne ye tie ba bia ya ye tie ho ase e dia ma wo manya complication ntimi ni awoka enti ma ye bibia wie te so nkanya sa anka ne fufu aka bi no mko mba bi be oba no so wo petintim tras no wo petintim wo titimto timtim na tintimi bi no waka kire ma me se bia ne na ben na so se de aye ne ntimi ni awoka ntimi twa me kunu ana ba amana ba no aba wo miye de o se hey befo de aye me be ni se wote ya wo ka ho bi na me be adwuma abo no just why me be kojo besia sa watue fufuo me be no ma me dina so wo de pampan tintinto na tamo wo na me bi sa waso ne senti wo wa ho na be di fufuo no wo so won ti bi da so wo wade be ma wade bet na fia bo ba ho ka wo sa wo fufuo fio ai ede asamwa nti ne na ye sem de ja obe ya de tete no hu de onye no ho e de odi abeja yi na ja kansela du troto wono na dare bokiti obeti bi aka ni ye kansela mate bi abako de
ahwe yi enti onyankopon
it sounds like it's not real but it's real ena ahomte say odwe ho kra wo nte ase misfortune but misfortune ne buy no say nka blessing no e buy from aso nka nye bone uwi abedi na aboso
ya me da se me fa achi akese nko ma ahwefo nyina na me nka se awade ye agro bi a eyede na se players
we dey akoya nwuno
players ni nyansa agro no koya nwu
say
de bia maka se oba bia wa wo ba ma bia oye future troublesome mother-in-law
oba
wa wo ba ma bia ye future
sasam bi aka na
me Kyle you are a future troublesome mother-in-law and you are a witch in the making.
I am not.
Na sa woti won wo ba be men to ye bayfo.
Na bayfo.
Wo ba bayie. Wo ba safe. Na yes we di mpo de wo de koye den.
To wo ma me ye bayfo.
Once me ye be ma de wo bayfo. Normal. Nto ba bia wo be ma bia ye bayfo.
Bayie yes ma me ma che. Wo bayie na so.
Oji so abe obuju so aye mbehwe ntima ma nje so.
Ne so
ba cho fa chen why onim no kan why
me minim de be kan na wo na aka so ba me ye
na odin krama mamu asema do oji so na oji so asema do wo ya bet me gina
ne so ho wa kan me na kaba 2 years na
oh asema me be boss na ya compost
exactly I also didn't want to talk about it
but coming for the currency ye
that
is why the foundation is and we are still serious on the foundation the diabetic asthmatic foundation of Council Trot no kaba titrunti na me gina mu kenken sa ba ye be ko hon so adi hon komo but mami ye ya no say aso baabia efi be ma no ho no omwa awade no de awade ni di esie they fight marriages because the visitor who is a woman coming into the marriage, you know, yene ne ko ekon ne yeden ye hwe ni mistakes a glorify no amane hu say onye obia ana oyobi na so wo maame me yire ne maame no ono boa ma wade ni gina. So when you understand the way mother-in-laws behave, you can live with them. But get we issue na aba no it's so painful. Say the edi kan wako suku ebusu ahwe wa wie akosu ejuma
assembly ni nyai mu no kra no amane papa kra boafu
oni ne nkasa
ai ne papa ne ge no nkasa esan say wo jai ejuma tifie wa odi na kosu awie no wa jai ejuma no aba betere fie so wo ware
ya ade ya ne say de bia me kasa asem we say ukunu si jai ejuma na obetua abosumi bia enya de pa
na ukuro ya wo se ye nkwa ukuro ya wo se ma ye nkwa na mema na ye tire mema direct the path of the woman
they are directing
now directing
no they are directing
papa
I came to meet you working And the money you make is not for me. It's for your family.
But the husband is the head, so he can.
No, I am the head over you, and I'm here to take care of you, not your family. Yet, Tienkomoni you. Obama warewa. Oye na sedie bi so yes utibo wata de shemu bibia ono. Na ubusuafo no eda ukunu sika be fi ni nsema kwa abusuafo ho no na ye nhihye ene amane bi ese ekoye eyi aba obi awo. There's a reason why your husband money goes to your family. Apart from that, no, your monthly stipend cannot come from your husband to your family. What you
say? Oh, mami abana ne hwache.
Oh, mami abesra.
Ukunu ma osika betimi apodwe
kakra. Oh, mami abesra no ko. Ukunu ma osika. Enu enye ukunu asede. Meti hei. Se me mami yale. Na ma ase ba yale a. Na ye pesika de akosha. Me de be hwe mami. Ma ase ba hu hia me nanso. Me yire yale. Na me mami yale. Na sika na aka ni baba ki ne be hwa. Me de be hwa me yire. Na mami ewu. What do I say? Media me standard no. Media me asem we see moye program be asem we see na me kan ye Mother's Day program. Me na minister the then minister no. But I say no, this thing I said I have to retract it. Now I meet you. Me say no. My life is that at the moment everything about me is about my wife, not even my children. Obi ba me kofa no. Ona me hwe no. So the me can say ye won hihye bia oba ye hia na wo ye adwuma. Wo adwuma na wo ye no wo ya ma babusua. Enye wukunu. Ene wo ma. Enti se be ma si wudin ga se jadwuma na me hwe dwi hu mienu because
kwambedu abusua
me da se ye hwe wo se be hwe abusua no enya afi na abusua hia bibia akohu ukunu na waje unua be ma na de ya no se ye wo ba obaba kan a eya enka nti na me ka kire mu nyina
se de na asudie ne da so
me da se be ma bia afie bia mo hwe me na wawo our last born ye first born ye bema why na adwin so nsua hwe enya wo disika nyina hwe oba no mesrew hwe ni ye ni abusuan bebre e say eya say obaba and adani the pivot of the family eya pa but en common say the man asked her to stop work
look
and na ne papa guafu
ni ti
no
ti say
mentie
oba ma ware wo
mentie
ka be ware wo entimia me pese wo hoto wo
enya hoto
de dem
enya hoto
de men
please
na na fie ma
jaka
na me ba watumi asu
me se enya hoto
why a slave to say the
enya hoto jaka
wasu me ye
there be slave ne there I don't slave your house
na say
you will serve for the rest of your life
sebe nkwase akeka
na nkwase akeka you are serving that serving ni mu no the woman say you are doing something
but the word slave is harsh
but service is slavery
no.
If you don't become a slave, you cannot.
Ya me boy, o si ye me mo mamo.
Me say,
ya me kam ho ne ye mo abo ya ka se me
how too much.
Na say
you are forever a slave and enjoy your slavery because a slave is who enjoy slavery it's when you obey your master and you enjoy it.
But you obey the master.
No, so disobedience now you can it any you have a responsibility.
You can't eat your cake and have it.
No, you have your responsibility. They toss you ya obey juma poni entua. Once you leave your house, you will be a friend of positive energy. You will be at me shiano, obi at me didn't come on. Would dress secret na piano be so who so there are so many things you get as a result of working.
That's true.
Who could say now to force work kwai ho. And asana buy a for di wachi and na penti jai.
Je to America no ahomte.
E be shock you say sa ewia bo America wutu no ene na ma nkwatintin. And the Federal no be a store mawa. And be a store no be a be yo. Na so sa store ne be gu ma ware. Because any store no be or be directed ho. Hwe maka se grow be adwuma bom no. Who no kru be adwuma bom a enye ye. I'm telling you.
Oh, that's a family.
One day
there's a lot of family businesses prosper.
It's not prosper.
A lot of family businesses.
It's on
tenterhooks.
It's on tenterhooks. Men Bobby Dimis. Ose. My training corner about say na say nbe. Eti the American no kra woman say. One, stopping the work is the wrong thing. Continue your work.
Nenguna ware.
Engu awade but there is something about say, "Mo de adwuma ni bedani excuse wo fie." That is why the men complain. Once you are working, you want to start excuses. That's where the problem is. say na bibia amedwuma no na ho say me ko adwuma me bre na me say me ko ame ho me hwe na be na no the virtuous woman is a work Debbie the virtuous woman takes care of his home regardless of the job he's doing and yeah uti TV so much you hear then you run your home so that no man will come and tell you say je adwuma na hwa akola no fie once you are complaining and now baby anka say ya ware oba ya want hassle awade bia na ye de boafo ka ho awade nhihye ne say ye ma boafo ma ne be boawo ba mum be ya nso mo be ye ntietoro bia ntimi ammoa memfa bia ba no abeji mi kunu and wanye say so the first place is wrong for the woman to stop the work. Number 2 be ma ye adwuma bank collapse enti na adwuma say na maame oba be ma adwuma say na wa be high down man one tie gia ne come with toilet outside the bath.
Yes.
Ne ya.
Tembe ho. Ah, janai bia ne baby omdwale wa bonten.
Enye se enyo, but baby ofi ba.
Na odi na be se ho no.
And the girl alone is going through a lot of pressure to adjust to a man who is not within a line.
We ni la so. That's why I sikani ba na we mo.
Me da se.
So,
and the Obama girl and kasa no di okomu. Yeah, the girl ni kom no e serious.
That is stress enough. Say wo fi dan papam say 2 bedroom na toilet and bath for inside there na wo godina bonten wo dwale
me da say
na wakoso lie akote so
obreda enough and the way obreda that number 2 after the na se ba na high dan mo wa metena mu ntim we 2 abetena se
wo share dan tree there so wa ba hwe ne na
ya obehwe na ne
nana so oba wa ye hwe no
ya
ye
oba hwe oba na wa se ba na ne da umpa ba akoso eh
edan nya ne de o
meti ase ba
na
wo de wa ya wo de wa se Adam pa ba akoso
o me mpa me ne mekunu da so ana me mpra da so
Debbie
me ne obi anche so sa e ho de no go so
ya me ne kasa men
that particular bed
kasa mo kan bi me bodu awate o no mpra de bed da so enye ofede
e me no pa obi anka ho
hwe wa no ade ka me mpra ahwefo mo fa ne bɔ ne nkyɛn so ka me mpra wa
amen
tie opanyi kasa tie de me ka no me say empa wo ni me say empa wo any ukuru da so na wa siaba na ukuru excuse ni ma me ndam pa no so
na no hwe kwala no hwe akwala no
no it's not
that no correct
it's not that it won't say this is the third hwe package so ba ni ekom but the ya ne say sisi oba ni bisa say why never be kama asilba na
ko fie
she has no right when asem ne ya wo no no, she has no right.
Because Muslim na ni oba be de mpale bo so ni kunu enhwete bi
da. Another pressure. And at the home there tosu bi oni say okọ ni maame mo ho koji sika e be hwe fie. Hey,
say ni kunu adwuma agu.
Enti say adwuma
de nkola no say
when na make say His Excellency the President of the Republic of Ghana na do Danko Akufo-Addo. Plus Finance Minister.
Ken Foriata.
Ejuma mo tie si o mani so o mo siesie Ghana ha mi o now so the aftermath one person bank ejuma egu okofie see the effect
the abawu
she effect no
bank ni so work here na ebewu
but she effect no
enso yampa
effect na make o so
ahokyere ni edi abafie be ma enkoma hwe ni ho
ena oba no hwehwe ne ma me dua no de ba enti de edi kan afutu wo mu ne se oba bia ne bema bia utie mi no na ya me ware we na me ma me news to me so
ni za
Debbie
ene no kure se ne balo nya ne ba ne me
thank you enti on news to me
na ware a o ya be ya busua ba
Debbie yenye busua ba ko yenye enti sa
ba me ma me
Debbie onye o ma me
okay ba
ma wase na de enti obeda ne wase ye minti
ene no
enti se BBC se see na te se gay asema bei ye pese intermediate kan komo na gay ni hu kwan so ba approach na ase de na ka
say to go fi
o to be poni ni ndi nkomo enfa awade a enti ase ye mem so when there's conflict between you and your husband the first thing is
me kunu ma me na me
you don't have rights to talk to my mother. That's where the problem is. Won't you nkomo man na man
ha me kwaka njira me ma me
asa because enkrofo betimi edi nkomo no eye two families
wo abusua ne me mabusua
asa ho na confusion wo no enti girl no dale
say nya say awale yo ne yede tekam so fast me amre
tie o ana ya fo de ware na ka mata from try
before you are mu duru
Bobby. That is where the conflict is. Mami nim doye. Wa betra ne ba no so.
Just one or behind diamond woman or nana.
What is it? Say bibia ko na enye yie. Obedwuma egu. Na wo boa na ma ne fia ye yie. Why do you come and leave? Mami. Men twem obi nka se obeyie na ko anim. Wa nim so ebefo tu. Ba be man na said yes o man mami nko.
E se be man ka kire na mami sa ye yie.
Ba osuro.
Hey, no, I had a man who bet me a catch as a call.
So now,
say that,
see, you man, it's me now will be a young fee and tomok. Now, what one in the acotomok? You know what will be a no tea with your horns at Tomilo. Yeah, the idea is how one should be on Betty. Said the second to me. Some yet war 3 million, or there be a tonintia, or buy a bini wanka. What do you take in the morning? Oh, I take Milo egg. And to Nuntia took Kusha 1 crate. Why when it you are saying Kusha 1 crate? Please, let's look at the pressure we put women through when businesses go down. Me say, Giano, true. Then on ye, the ayana say, on to me, and can't you say, Ban say, uncle. A new kuna said ye. Ne mammy, they wait my bona mania, or no mammy, but ne papa ne bet me to the sim. Nasu tia the abana say, ne ma papa Simon Jumono Giant, honestly upon in your papa and Casa. That's all about Kagu. A foot to all who say, eh, never banking and finance. Banking and finance, this yaya. Banking and finance, this yaya, and quanta, and never more. Mamma Quaffrey, what bet me a year and yet. And I saw a tear jai. And the said this to send you the command papa. I say a corner penny. Yanko panic or the channel. Yanko panic show when you die. The Yanko panic show say one fifty yo or panic show. Say when Tino. Oh, she should go and apologize to the father. Oh, that's a wound here about Uncle Papa. Udo Copanic show we are. No one's unprepared, man. A human they say so. The certificate is still available. Banks in endorse and saying, but at least so when you maybe I know. And the bank on Quania Juma, but who has a degree crab banking and finance. What you grab a ton pizza? Yeah, don't pay be being here. Na enko ni be man so be be nya but the make say ye di nkomo yi it is not the enko pan papa cho aso no so nko aso no ko no e bi on hwe adom ba ni kunu no onko ba e ya so be ka che okunu se ka che mama se onko e se mbembe nkwala bi wo mo jimi obe ka che no mama se me yere se ko na ya se sia no aso wa ba che on no hwe fie enti ebe ya nka woto america no wanom enti ko wadi milo besi wadi emu obi ni ho enti okoton ma ni maame ti ni ekwe okoton ma ni maame ena ukonso na ge yi so kono okobo ni maame ma ni wanko bo ni yie nso a ni maame mo the problem baba enti anu se ye kire ne so no be kasa okofia so ho na maame na kasa enti se obe diskai wasiti fie obi na kakra na ode ma oba na mele ni maame ni usu odi bi ni maame ni nim that's one good thing about mothers with wives oba fa ne sa oba so ate ase ba ni papa na ote a awade mbegu asema ye kende wadi guo beba o but get ni ntie se enye na asede se obeka kire na ase ni bibi that is what I'm emphasizing na adwuma no so o kan kire se ebufuo ne ba me gitum se ni bu yefu the ase no ye ni goso one ne dam paso I'm just imagining say me yire ni me ma me dam paso na obed omunu be bona be what is happening o tia no hwana no kan ase when you can say down awo we so ye di wo heat ye di wo be ma ya ase na nya so ya ase wo David wrong cry. Okay. Uchiura ho still awo bede wo. We dey ban pama experience na ya ma e din ese wo na mbo ne dia. Grofo kukuru ase no. Menye ni paatwa. Yankopo ni bi ti a. Me pra. Oji ade nyina na ode ketwa ne ma. Ti de me kan. Me pra pa. Abedu de wo abade. Ti me be pra me. O ka di agro. Ti. Adisua ne se. Gia no the bu food ba. But she should not talk. Mo nka ho hwe. Menye na djuma no. Eya onusu tumi nka so soro afimpa no so agya mpa na ma na aseba won tumi nya mpa no mo nya sa won na so sa because me nusu obetu nufu se ne agya wase ba no nda mpa no so ne akola no na no kuru nda fo manya bi ese me ba ba ma nya nyansa mo ngu no so ara nkuru mo wan hwe ye nya ne pa ma ya bo aso na bo he aso wa ha da ma ne ba ya jimi na dedi o tuma se na aseba nso mesrew sa ye bia utia ye na ahwe Adom TV a pa ko nyama nako ana up to lie on the floor pa me so ade ba ko me yase me hwe se me ma me da form no da form can you imagine you see how they pay for it I don't so etembe ho enti ba bia no ho beda untumi ma ne nkoda akonwam untumi ma ne na form o ma me
Now ono yire Adam paso.
Eni de meye mo. Me yire de mpa no beda so. Ena ma me so me ontimi ni me I will not agree so
the best ne so be kwasa.
E koni de so oko. Na ne koni so tumi me abusua tete. Enti be ma ne nkasa. Na tie de bia me kase. Men ko bo ukunu maame amane de ukunu ye. Men ko ye bio. Utie me. Mo so amotio na ma asase ma se mehu kakra. Ena George na se opon adwuma mba fie. Ena ma asem oye. Men ko ye bi. Ebi se obi a wa ba be ma bia ne ketie ni ntinu. Omo krokro mo ma no.
Obo ne ho ne ba no.
Men ko ye bi. Uko kache mama say ni say na me ya onje wundi. And it will start a misunderstanding between you and
me phone line na ye ni komo. Na me ka o say na o pe phone papa to Franco trading. Yeah. That is it. Online tina fie da na dwodwo ho. O de just go to their portal online no so. Na check phone na ba say Huawei, Samsung, iPhone 11 abeya nkrofo di twa. Na me de mo problem because phone na go swallow mo ye ndi o to 11 na om de 12 aba. O to 12 na om de 13 aba ni nyina Franco. Wamu woni nyina sum ho se ko bebre TV, computers, laptop. Wamadawro ma ne so hu wo Facebook a wamu phone papa wom de abra ye di twa ne de o twa no we ye di obi antwa mpeta no pe o di twa me na ni ade anti ko hwe wo Facebook nkura de se ba ko Facebook na ja follow ye wo Facebook Adom TV your Facebook as we are talking no betimi ahwe like it share na ko Franco na ko perfume papa ya o me de aba o pe bi ato aton wa betimi aye ma me for line no ma se mi se nie okunu e ka kiro se adwuma na wo ye no jai ne betena fi me hwe wa wo be jai simple question me ya de c'était embassoui me ya c'était embassoui na also all the any say ma kire ma dwe a kire wo de any say say wo dan ma say bia uruare Ibrahim Mahama Kennedy Japan John Mahama Nanado Danko Akufuado die wo Akufo ma bebe uware omo kekabo mu a Jerry John Rollins ana say uware Dangote ana Shatabandre ya omo so ye oni be ho nyaika na so jeti
Oko ka Shatawale ana Shatabandre
ani ade na omo ka say jeti na fia obeja na number 0302211701 702 Fre na kire wa dwo
yeah mema girl no so start assoring paibo no she shouldn't do it she shouldn't do it
all night prayers
obetna kona sorry
obagu ha so
obetna kona sorry memo she shouldn't start a religious journey she shouldn't start
lena wa homa so lena ma che
hello bacho yenwia
yo simple question simple answer
bacho medelenda mi Facebook foji adoso
yanko
Nana, me pacho. Pa se mi kubeka ti minje adwuma na me tena fi die. Me tu bi nya baby afo se mo ye bi da.
Ade.
Na mi fi you. Me no ka say ma sa say, me got my fi there 15 years.
15 years.
Adwuma. Me ku ya wale 18 years na wo ma na ya bu me ma wa kla ku nya 4 years.
Thank God.
Me nya adwuma, me je adwuma nke ya ya die. Am fe mu.
Sa
Nana, me kama sema.
Ade ba che. Sa.
Ye be we mas be fe ma wo nana. Ye han dan yi flow dan ye be kana ku fun bia. Masemu. Me te chemba e me ye kle bedroom. E mo ba mi kuma fo. E du go nyom pli ba ni pa be 9.
Enkoro.
Ye gu fie ba ku.
Wo mu be di bronya.
Me ni ku da bedroom no mu nyina e gu ho.
Kaase.
Me ye jiane me to anfa. Pese me nyom pese me ni san na te san ye. Me wo ya ma se be he ma wo se ma bo ni be yi ni ku se ma bo ni ma ni be yi ma mi so ugwa wale no ma se so ugwa wale no
sa
nana obi ama wo foforo na wo twe ma se ma bo ni be yi se de ono
na wo bo ni be yi de
ka do kon bi
wo bo ni be yi
ma mo ni be yi nana
ba no ye be yi no ye be yi de wa ho
eno si asem foforo nana me ta show Tete, omu di menia na yanko para ma kata bi ne yele na si na wo no sori dinae. Nana, tete ma ti aye som no.
Na sam keto ole na aka le simple sa.
No ni tete wo nya dwuma nana. Te wo nya dwuma. Eni nya me abo. My son is video traffic.
I said that.
I'm a Yemejuma. Miss Alton, dear come.
Bless you.
Now, I'm going to shake around the company. I'm the name of my baby.
Sapa Pepe. Oh, there no more. Manu Grant, I said it. Ubenya, you obey the about life. Ma, why a fan? Why a fine girl? Oh, let me tell you.
It's me to me up there. Or baby, I paid you money.
Me da se papa lenda dia o dia be me catch yourself safo na ya na ekura ba nipa ba akopɛ wono na de na semba wo but wo jai gu mu say ya na wo say safo na ekura nipa be 1000 ya nya asem ke 20 ya nsinkonwa na tena se ne tie fisem and some ho
they me ya mo kan se me ya adwuma hwɛ me ne me mma no mo jai kan na de no me abren kwala
no but me ma no bi wo ho they are very responsible what is so you do
no
it
when they are irresponsible no, punish them
but how would you do it
it's easy
how would you do it
come we'll punish them for you it's just a second their focus should not be yeah me yan say that focus ni say me ye adwuma hwɛ me ma no is what I want us to know say it is the
man's responsibility o dey to park say yes you ga onya bia obema what's why the owa homa so ma chi
yo do me so wa polo ti
na me na sham papa nya me sham na wa so
ma pom ye papa for from abandon because it's fam
me chi apam funala
kakra me peda me kan de me ni aso no ya agent so ono worry no so when the man that can hear range
and I said ben you scared the head and na obi head am wa onye ucha dan
honestly and I would be you know or you mistake there o catch the same there onje ejuma na ye and the me catch me nuanom be safin na de the e we ejuma ma na beyin mbasa wodo nkan che o de ejuma no na yare wo mpem ya panda to we yi papa na ezuba anka fanda so ya na bosuma nsu ya se go be na wizizi
na sama
mo promise so ya den mo so wom tuma so de asu biara so a sabi traders na ori to the man number da abana bin na wokatna oye obako na ye 100 but de mo what them na ya we
me da so papa
be le ya kai bum ai
me da say what good morning majwa kwesibintim wose ni kuruka so nya adwuma wonya da majwa na de ne de abaye mfa nkogu course no ye fancy he ya da say afa de bank kakra
well
it's here bank kakra
yes the thing is that men jai that means
first housewife a very nice title
no it's still you see
a nice title
housewife means you are managing the house
yes
you will be administration of the house next or house help 6 or cook munu aduane 4 you will feel kese bi wo ha you feel kese mu abawa
and we a housewife we are managing a home
and then there's some business going on me say abusua na dey akiri na ehwe kai say ebema said say so hwe and I did make us say, who catch us say, ya, who's go boaty, see, ya, and just a coba, scared me ho. Na cobo, me ba, me triama, and we a covenant.
Yes, all day.
Now, who casse, and ya me cobo, uba never tria, be may be a baba can't hatch oba mintia. But say, who catch your banner say, oh, cobo, now the oba metria, and I fool enemy can move, men parkings yourself, fool enemies one go school. Fool any can, oh, ya, togum, me quite metriama. But so one can be bisa. You see, the thing is that anytime Ubaya dear say Bema you block the blessing of the man.
Who see Bema in Shrakwine?
And no.
Say Bema show now, Maquai man show. What blocking in Shrakwine? I think because Bema be on your batty on your one day. Bema as or show no one show what? Who block Bema in Shirada? Obre. Samson of Bema your batty, no yen one day. Union Shirada. Montia say, and no son yet. Only your banner now, only ya said yes, or Kai will say, one day, than no mere mouth. And yes, so Baba Kai will say, when 2 young one day because I said for you. What must say? Now, what's out to 1 year, 1 day? What to why day? 2 qua? Why I seen out there? Nanka, Jimmy, William said it here. Yes, also 2 p.m. was Santa Mampo. Say I'm enjoying the show. Happy birthday in Coba Mrs. Gloria for Swampoful. Yeah, Warmampo, Newtown. Happy birthday to you. Yes, also. Yeah, Kono, yes, Robia say, I say, only who can say you approach your in-law and talk to your in-law. Sa confusion yen jai. In-laws nso amaba, and me mama, me no more na de bia mo de confusion ba wadi. Obi de 9 mo be gu fi, nti mo da asaso ho 9 no. na
Someone near Bushia Before Mugu or Adom 0277. Bompa Egu was how much?
0277
609 644. Yeah, I mean, count quickly, sir. 6096. We count quickly, sir. The 1st of December in the United States of America, orgasm conference. Not 25th December, I local one.
Yeah, try to get my man.
Me no be come, me ya be continue. Say obi ahwem bia no, but what so wouldn't be able to you ahwem on no US there. Yeah, ba be orgasm conference. 1st December.
Omo hia pa.
Omo hia pa. Is I want more testicular challenges. Na Ghana the 25th December trade fair. You better ticket or have a microphone ticket. I'm sharing throughout. We give them Christmas gifts. No matter.
Yeah, say happy birthday, Fankoma, Lucy. Kwada so estate Kumase na or happy birthday.
Michiaka Payre, Emma Yako.
Ose,
Michiaka Bayre.
You, ye my bushia for Michaka Bamame.
Kaba.
Kaba Mamma and the papa, and the bushia for in Ayako. 2 years ni. And we should be aware who are home to but
what diabetes asthma, Kaisobe Freb, near Wow, men train my uncle Danny, and the